Good morning. Good afternoon, class. Is it good afternoon or good morning?
Good morning, morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Morning, madam.
Morning.
Eric, are you present? Eric. Eric, are you present? Edwin.
Yes, I'm present, morning.
Ramadan.
Present.
Gideon.
I'm present, madam.
So Eric. Where is Eric?
Eric has some network issues.
Okay, let's start the class. During our last lesson, we talked about computer networks, right? Right?
Yes.
Yes.
And we defined what is a computer network. So, Opio Ramadan, what did we say is computer network?
The composition of nodes that are capable of communicating.
Yes. Someone else?
Yeah, for information sharing or even resource sharing.
Correct. Gideon?
Yes.
What did we say is computer network?
I think it's the interconnection of two or more computers so that they can communicate and share resources.
Okay, correct. So today we are going to talk about types of, okay, the last lesson we looked at bus and star topology, correct? Right? Someone
Yes.
to differentiate between bus and star topology? Bus and star topology, someone to differentiate. Gideon?
Yes.
What is bus topology?
I can try. I can say star topology is like they have a central access point.
Yes.
Yeah, so that computers can connect the central point to get resources. And in past topology,
Yes.
I'm not sure about that, madam. Can you remind me?
Okay, Eric. Edwin, help Gideon to define what is bus topology.
Okay, let me make a trial, Morium.
Yes.
Bus topology is a network setup.
Yes.
Where each computer and network device is connected to a single cable or backbone.
Correct. So today we are going to talk about tree topology, the advantages of tree topology, disadvantages of tree topology, and how we can apply tree topology. So I'm going to share my screen here. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, we can see it.
You can see it. So we are going to go straight to tree topology. We say that tree topology, we can say that tree topology is a type of network topology that resembles a tree. As we all know, tree has a root, the stem, and the branches which contain the leaves, right? Correct? Are we together?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, you're together, Morium.
Yes. In a tree topology, there is one central node, that is the trunk, and each node is connected to the central node through a single path. Node can be thought of a branch coming off the trunk, and tree topologies are often used to create branch networks. An example of branch network we know, Opio Ramadan. Any example of a branch network we know?
Let's say we have a network for an organization.
An example of an organization?
It can be an institution, even KTTC.
Correct. Now, here I have the diagram of tree topology. As you can see, we have a backbone cable which connects the hub to the nodes. Okay. So the data is carried by the central cable to be distributed within the hubs, and then the hubs will distribute the network to the nodes. The nodes can be computers, servers, and okay, let's continue. Since we have known what is tree topology, I want you to contribute on advantages of a tree topology. Eric, one advantage of tree topology. One advantage of tree topology. No.
Yes, Maureen, I can hear you.
Yes, one advantage of tree topology. Class. Are we together?
Yes.
You can try.
Okay, one advantage of tree topology.
Yes, I can try.
Someone.
Can I try?
Yes.
Can I try?
Yes.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yes, one of the advantages is that we have got easy maintenance and fault identification.
Correct. Another advantage. So we can say advantages of tree topology. One, it can support a large number of nodes. So you can have as many nodes as possible, that is as many computers as possible and as many servers as possible. Then we can say it can be easily expanded. So when you want to add a computer or another node, it is easy to add. Then you also say it is highly scalable and can be easily configured. Now you'll go and research more advantages of tree topology. Next, we have disadvantages of tree topology. One, we can say it can be difficult to troubleshoot issues in a tree topology as each node is connected to multiple other nodes. So if you decide to troubleshoot, if there is a failure of one hub, it can affect the other nodes within that hub. Then we have, if one node goes down, it can affect the entire network. Example, a bus cable. So that cable, if it fails, it will affect the entire topology or the entire network. Then tree topology can be more expensive to implement as it requires a lot of cabling. So you lose a lot of money to configure or to start that. So applications of tree topology is often used to connect multiple devices such as printers, computers in a home or small offices or even small institutions. A tree topology is commonly used to create bus network where each device is connected to a central hub. We have already discussed that. And lastly, we can say that tree topology can also be used to create star topology, where each device is connected to a central hub. So that was just a reminder. So we have come to the end of our lesson today. I need someone to recap on what we have discussed during this lesson. Gideon, brief
Yes,
summary of what we have done.
We have discussed about the tree topology, whereby connecting computers through a single path known as a trunk. Then we look at the advantages of tree topology.
Yes.
And the disadvantages,
yes.
Then the application of the tree topology.
Thank you. Now for your assignment, I want you to go and find your notes and read on mesh and hybrid topology, then you'll have to clearly indicate 5 advantages and 5 disadvantages of each. So I need 5 advantages and 5 disadvantages of mesh, and another 5 advantages and 5 disadvantages of hybrid topology. Thank you. I hope the class was good. Let's meet
Welcome,
in our
Mwalimu.
next lesson.
Yes.
Bye.
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 Nice evening. Nice afternoon.
Same to you. Afternoon, my son.